everybody, welcome back to an episode on Mighty Model Shop Creations. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing on model kits. So, without further ado, let's roll the intro. Alright. Roll the intro. Alright. So, basically we got those two kits over there. The Mustang funny car, and then we have the box set print. We'll tell you about those in a bit, but what do we have here? We got, okay, so first up we got, what is this, Don Schumer's, tell me about this, Dad, I don't know.
Yeah, it's Don Schumacher's, I don't know, 74 Vega funny car. It was sealed inside, and it was a really good price, and I combined shipping, so there you go.
It's pretty sweet.
Yeah. Sorry, wife.
And then we got another Mustang funny car. Wonder what color this one is.
Yeah, I don't think it showed in the pictures.
We got the decals, that's good.
Yeah,
Oh, and green, that's cool.
Yeah, look, now
we got orange, yellow, like a pea yellow almost, and we got green. So we got three different things of the same kits.
Yeah. Well, I kind of took a chance on this one a little bit because the photos were a bit bad, and I knew that this was broke out.
Yeah.
So that's why it was so inexpensive. But the good thing is, we're gonna build one.
Probably the green two. One. Yeah.
We're gonna build this one because it's damaged.
Yeah.
So what's the plan with these?
So basically, if you remember, maybe it was 6-8 months ago now, we got these off of an auction, and well, obviously we have 3 of the Mustang cars, so we're gonna build one of the Boss Haas Mustangs, put in front of the original Johan prints, and we're gonna hang them up on the wall, and then we'll have like a one that's unbuilt in the box, and then we'll have a built one. And then we're going to do the same thing with the Mickey Thompson. But you know how it's like unobtainium, so we're probably just going to get decals made for it and use a Mustang funny car, because it looks to me it's the same kit. I mean, it has the same like funny car parts piece on the same side of the box. So that's our plan with that. If you want to,
I think Slicks actually has Mickey Thompson.
Oh, they do.
Mustang ones. I hope so.
I don't know.
If they do, then all we're missing is the unobtainium box.
Yeah.
Or a complete kit, which is, I don't have that much money, obviously.
Yeah, true. But if anybody has it and want to sell like the box or anything, let us know, because we'd definitely be interested.
Yeah, I think it'd be a pretty cool display. So you have the uncut box hanging, and then in front of it you could have a shelf with the actual box with the model kit in it, and then the built-up version.
Yeah, and same thing with the other one as well. And then we also have a Hornet funny car uncut box, so we'll have to find those as well.
Yeah.
And also a Cadillac, but it's like the one with the blue background with the snowflakes on it, not like the original white background. So it's kind of cool. Anyways,
things to come.
Yep. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you want to see more of this, let me know, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.